In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and sort records in Airtable. If you're looking to streamline your data management and find exactly what you need quickly, mastering the sorting feature in Airtable is essential. Let's jump in and make sense of the beautiful chaos that can be your database. First things first, open up your Airtable, focusing on the table or view that contains the data you want to organize. This could be anything from a list of tasks, a catalog of orders, CRM leads, to even invoices. Whatever you're working with, the process remains consistent and incredibly user-friendly. Airtable's intuitive design makes it easy to switch between different tables or views, so you can manage multiple datasets without breaking a sweat. Once you've got your table in front of you, take a look at the top of the screen where you will find the toolbar. In this toolbar, there's an option labeled Sort. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is your gateway to organizing your data efficiently. By the time we're done here, you'll be able to sift through your records with ease, uncovering the exact information you need. Upon clicking Sort, you're going to be presented with options to add a sort rule. This is where things start to get interesting. You'll need to decide which field or column you want to sort by. Essentially, this means you'll specify the part of the record you want to use as a criterion for sorting. For example, if you're managing tasks, you might want to sort by due date or priority. In the instance of a CRM database, maybe you'd opt to sort by the last contact date or lead score. The power is in your hands to decide what makes the most sense for you. Next, consider the direction of your sort. Do you want the data in this field to be organized in ascending or descending order? Ascending order is great when you want numbers to go from lowest to highest, dates from earliest to latest, or alphabetically from A to Z. Conversely, descending is perfect for flipping that order, perhaps to see your highest numbers first or the latest dates up front. Choose the option that best fits your sorting needs. Don't hesitate to experiment with various fields and directions to see how different configurations affect your dataset. By getting comfortable with sorting, you're not just saving time, you're adding a layer of sophistication and detail to your data management process. As you build more complex datasets over time, adding multiple sort rules can help you achieve even deeper insights, allowing precision control over how your information is displayed and accessed. So there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive approach to organizing and sorting records in Airtable. We've covered locating your table, accessing the sort options, and specifying your sorting criteria. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this new skill as valuable as I do. Happy organizing!